guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually like a bonus video because normally I've been uploading Wednesdays and Saturdays, but hopefully this video is up on Tuesday. Bonus video, and that is my Fabfitfun winter unboxing. I'm so excited to share this box with you guys. I think it might be my favorite Fabfitfun that I've received yet. I've had it for a year about now. So if you guys want to see what is inside this box, then keep watching. If you don't know what Fabfitfun is, it is a seasonal box that is $49.99, and it is so worth it because every season you get makeup, hair care, skincare, lifestyle things, like things for working out. I was gonna say things for fitness. I don't know where my brain is. Accessories. Just you always get something really cool and fun. I really love it. I think it's really worth the money because you do get a lot of products for the $50. And all those products, when you add up the retail value, it's always way over the $50. So that's just like one really cool benefit for it. I think it's totally worth it. Like I said, if you guys want to sign up, there's a link down below in the description box if you would like to check it out. I think I have like boxes to give away. I'll include that down below if you want to check it out. Before I get into the video, I just want to let you guys know that I have a $10 off coupon. So for your first box, you can get $10 off. It is right here, and I'll leave it down below in the description box. I don't get anything for this. I just want to let you guys know if you're interested. I just want to help you guys out. I am over here. This is what the box looks like for winter. It's super cute. There's just girls chilling by the fire. It says Fabfitfun. And then on the inside, it just says, find your cozy with all my goodies inside. So I did open this yesterday when it came. I'm just gonna put this over here. I did open the box because I have no self-control and my mom loves seeing what's inside these boxes. She's just always so amazed. With every box, you always get like a magazine. At first they were like newspapers, but now it's a magazine. So it always has what's inside your box, and it always has like little tips on how to use the products and all that stuff. So I'm just going to get myself situated and put this down so I could show you what's inside and talk to you guys about the products. The total value of this season's box was anywhere between $290 and $335. I'll let you know at the end what my grand total was. The first item is this Mark & Graham color block throw. I got mine in natural ivory. So this throw retails for $49, and this is just cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and cool fringe detailing. I'm so excited to use this because it's so soft and cozy, and I love blankets, so I'm really excited for this. And the tip for this is to hand wash cold and lay flat to dry. So I really want to either wash it or just put it outside so it could air out because it kind of just smells like box, but it's so soft and cozy. This is a great winter item. I know a couple people on my last Fabfitfun unboxing commented and they were like, this isn't for fall. There's no fall items. But to me, fall is such a weird like transitional season. Like, I don't know, like that's just my opinion. I feel like it's weird, but like this is a perfect winter item, and this was something that everyone got in their box, but I don't think you were able to choose your color. You just got whatever color you got, but I really like the color that I got. They must know that I'm like a mess and I would not be able to do like the gray and ivory, so this one's just a better choice, but it is just so stinking soft. Can't wait to use it. Every season, about a month before the boxes are shipped out, they do a add-on day, and you're able to pick out a couple of items that are going to be in your box, and there's no charge for them. There are add-ons that you can get a charge on, and if you're a select member, which I think that just means like you pay an annual fee, you don't pay seasonally, you get more choices. I don't pay annually, I just pay seasonally, so I only got 3 choices. I think if you are a select member, you got 5 or 6. I'm not really sure, but the next item was a choice. So I was able to choose this or a Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. So I chose the Bear Paw combo set with a headband and pop-up glove Duo. I'm very excited for these. The little description is slip on the ultra soft 100% polyester Sherpa lined headband and the fingerless gloves to beat the winter chill all season long. And this retails for $45, which is crazy. This headband is so soft on the inside. It's going to come in so handy. I'm probably going to wear it today because it's only 39 degrees out, freezing cold. Love New Jersey. And the tip for this is to check out in the magazine, they have cute little hairstyles that you could pair with the headband. So I'm really excited that I got these because this is another great winter item again, and it's something that I'm going to use probably every single day, especially the gloves. I always just keep a pair of gloves in my coat pocket or in my pocketbook, so great winter item. The next item was also a choice, and I was able to choose between a jewelry portfolio, a necklace, or the Oribe Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. And I chose the Oribe Gold Lush Dry Shampoo. So this retails for $44. When in God's name am I ever going to purchase a dry shampoo that's $44? Never. That's ridiculous. I will purchase a dry shampoo for $4.40, but not for $44. That's insane. So this is an easy to use, achieve less worthy locks. Use this sulfate-free dry shampoo to absorb product buildup and impurities while soothing the scalp and restoring strength and softness. So a tip for this is to spray 8 to 10 inches from the scalp, then massage until the product is completely absorbed. So I'm really excited for this dry shampoo. Like I said, it's $44, which is crazy to me. Like, that's a lot of money for a dry shampoo. This better make my hair look beautiful. The last choice I had were socks, a jade roller, or the Pure Be Your Selfie palette, and I chose the Pure Be Your Selfie palette. This palette retails for $36, and this just says to create endless looks with this 9-well eyeshadow palette. It has 4 velvety matte shades and 5 shimmer shades to complement any eye color or skin tone. Tip, no brush, no problem. You can use your finger to blend any of the shades. So I actually used this palette today to do my makeup, and I used all the matte shades actually to do the crease. I used Pure, Natural, Strong, and then Free in that order. And then I used the shade Alluring for the lid. And I really like how the look came out. It's just a really pretty warm toned look. I absolutely love this palette. I'm going to be getting a lot of use out of it. And I just love the packaging. It's so pretty. So the next 2 products I'm going to mention were surprises for me, like Fabfitfun chose them. If I was a select member, I could have picked out the products myself, but I'm not a select member, so they gave me a surprise. And that's what I like about this box. It's like I get a surprise because who doesn't love surprises? So what I could have gotten were Chic and Tonic, I'll coast to that, a 4-piece coaster set, Burke body sliders, or the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick in meringue. And I got the Bite Beauty lipstick, which I'm also wearing this lipstick today. It is gorgeous. It's super comfortable. I love it. It's a really pretty nude shade. This is a high impact lipstick in a peachy nude shade. This lipstick is handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and creamy wear, and this retails for $26. The tip is to exfoliate your lips beforehand to create a smooth base for the lipstick. So I really like this. I don't really find it peachy now that I'm looking at myself in the mirror, but it is a perfect nude, and I'm definitely going to want to repurchase this. I really like it. It smells so good too. Oh my god. But it's just a really pretty color. This is probably going to be a go-to nude, so be prepared to see this in future tutorials. The next 2 products, again, a surprise. I could have either gotten the Anthropologie and Merci & Co. C Whip Body Cream in Coconut Sugar, or Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set in Sweet Orange and Eucalyptus Oil. I'm having a very hard time talking today. And I received the Way of Will Elevate Essential Oil Set. So I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bummed out when I received these at first because I have no clue what to do with essential oils. Not a clue. But then I read the magazine, and this just says, unlike typical essential oils, these oils can be applied directly onto the skin. Eucalyptus helps with sore muscles and cold symptoms, while Sweet Orange eases stomach cramps and headaches. This retails for $31. and there's also tips in the magazine on how to use these. So I'm really excited for this because I think that the sweet orange, and both of them are going to come in handy with the colds. I get colds all the time, and headaches. I get those too. Muscle soreness, not so much, but I get that with working out, and I'm excited to see how these work. Very curious. If you guys have any like tips and tricks with essential oils, please let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to know like what you do with them and how you use them and all that stuff. The next 3 products I'm going to talk about, every single person got in their box. It wasn't a surprise, just everyone got them. So the first product is this Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener in the shade Stella. So this is infused with macadamia and meadow foam oil. The silky champagne eye brightener instantly highlights and brightens your eyes, and this retails for $24. The tip is to add this to the inner corner of your eyes for a brightening effect. Didn't see that this had macadamia oil in it. If you guys didn't know, I'm allergic to nuts, macadamia being one of them. So I'm not experiencing any breakouts, and I did swatch this yesterday and I didn't really experience anything as well, but I don't plan on eating this or sniffing it, so hopefully nothing happens. But the color is just really pretty. I tried swatching it and it wasn't really like showing up, but let me try again on the back of my hand, and the swatch is right there. Just a really pretty champagne. Definitely going to be a really pretty inner corner highlight, brow bone highlight. This would probably be even really pretty in the waterline. Really excited to play with this. Again, it'll be in future tutorials as well. The next product is this Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. This is enriched with mineral spring water, shea butter, and vitamin E. This rich, creamy mask softens and smooths the skin while providing intense hydration and comfort. This retails for $33. And a tip is to use it as a 3-minute hydration boost or as an overnight sleeping mask. I'm really excited to try out this mask because my skin has been so dry. So this is a great winter product, it sounds like. And I've been really wanting to try a good overnight mask. So I'm really hoping that this works, because if it does, I will definitely repurchase it, even though it is $33. If it works, I'll find that worth it, you know, because I've just been dealing with this dry skin and it's been really annoying and I'm over it. So I'm at the point where I'll spend any dollar amount to help my skin. And the last product in the box are these black hydrogel eye masks with hyaluronic acid. So this is saying, is your under eye area puffy or swollen? Detox and depuff with this activated charcoal mask for a refreshed look, and these retail for $29. The tip is to leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before carefully peeling it off the skin. Normally, I would be mad that I'm getting 2 masks in a box, but these are 2 very different masks. One's for your eyes and one's for your face. So I'm really excited to try these. I've been liking like the eye masks lately. I've only tried ones from Patchology and Tarte. So these sound really nice, and anything with the charcoal in it, I am all about that. I think it's so cool, and I really like the stuff with charcoal in it, the activated charcoal. I just feel like it really works. So I'm super excited for these, and it looks like there are a couple pairs in here, which is even better. I think it looks like there's 5 pairs. So 5 pairs for $29. I don't think that's a bad deal at all. I think that's a pretty good deal. The total retail value of this season's box is $317, which I paid $49.99. And the total retail value is $317. So I really think that it is totally worth it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And that is everything in my winter Fabfitfun box. What did you guys think of it? I personally think this is my favorite box that I've received so far from them. I love all the items, and I think they're all super good this season. I was gonna say month, this season. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. I need to start filming for January, so let me know what you guys want to see. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!